In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to MetaMask. Start by opening the MetaMask extension on your browser. In the MetaMask extension, you will see your account name at the top. Below your account name is your public wallet address, a string of numbers and letters starting with 0x. Copy the icon next to the wallet address to copy it on your clipboard. This is the address where you will receive your Ethereum. Now, switch over to your mobile Coinbase app and log in through the website. Ensure that you're accessing the official Coinbase app. Next, look for the Send and Receive button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the Coinbase dashboard. Click on it. After clicking Send and Receive, you will be directed to a new page. Here you need to select Send, and then paste your previously copied MetaMask wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to transfer from MetaMask wallet to Coinbase. It will show you the balance available for transfer. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on Continue to proceed. You might be asked to confirm the transaction details and possibly complete any security verification to set up your Coinbase account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.